Ever lie in bed struggling to sleep, wondering if your body is storing fat overnight instead of burning it? What if I told you certain foods can help your body burn fat while you sleep? 7 overnight diet foods that burn fat while you sleep. Hey everyone, if you want to burn fat effortlessly, you're in the right place. We all know diet and exercise are key to weight loss, but here's the truth. Your body constantly burns calories, even while you sleep. The secret is eating the right foods. Eating the right foods before bed can boost your metabolism, regulate fat-burning hormones, and help you feel lighter and leaner. Stick with me today because I'm revealing 7 powerful overnight diet foods that can help you burn fat while you sleep. And trust me, number 5 is an absolute game changer. Before we start, if you're serious about achieving your best body, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more fat-burning tips. The science of nighttime fat burning. Most people don't realize that your metabolism doesn't stop when you go to bed. While you sleep, your body works overtime, repairing muscles, balancing hormones, and burning fat. But here's the catch. Eating the wrong foods before bed can sabotage your progress, while the right ones can maximize fat burning overnight. So let's get into it. The 7 best foods to eat before bed to turn your sleep into a fat-burning powerhouse machine. 1. Almonds, the sleep and slim secret. First up, almonds. These little guys might seem simple, but they're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. The perfect combination to keep you full, satisfied, and burning fat all night. And here's the kicker. Almonds contain melatonin, a natural sleep hormone that helps you fall asleep faster and more profoundly. Why does that matter? Why it matters is because better sleep equals better fat burning. Your body does its best to recover and burn fat during deep sleep, and almonds help you get there faster. The best tip: eat a small handful, about 10 to 12 almonds, 30 minutes before bed for the best results. 2. Greek yogurt, the metabolism booster. Next up is Greek yogurt. And I'm not talking about those sugary fruit-filled ones. You need plain, high-protein Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is terrific because it's packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles overnight, helping you burn fat even while you sleep. One thing to keep in mind, Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, which improve digestion and help reduce bloating. To spice things up and get even more results, add a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra fat-burning boost. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and fights cravings. 3. Cottage cheese, the fat-fighting protein. I know, cottage cheese, you might ask? Really? But hear me out. Cottage cheese is one of the best late-night fat-burning foods because it's high in protein and packed with casein, that slow-digesting protein we discussed earlier. Even better, it contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps you relax, sleep better, and boost overnight metabolism. Add a teaspoon of almond butter for extra flavor and healthy fats for better results. 4. Chamomile tea, the stress reducer. This might surprise you, but chamomile tea is a weight loss powerhouse. Why does it matter? Because stress and poor sleep are significant causes of weight gain. Chamomile tea helps reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, allowing your body to burn fat more efficiently. Plus, it prepares your body for deep fat-burning sleep. Best pro tip: drink a warm cup of chamomile tea 30 minutes before bed to relax and activate fat loss overnight. 5. Bananas, the metabolism recharger. Alright, let's talk about bananas. Many people avoid bananas at night because they think they're too high in sugar. But guess what? They're actually a perfect nighttime fat-burning food. Bananas contain resistant starch, which feeds healthy gut bacteria and boosts metabolism while you sleep. They're rich in magnesium and potassium, which relax your muscles and improve sleep quality. Key for fat loss. Another great thing about bananas is that bananas are a good source of fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially reducing overeating and aiding in weight management. For a healthy midnight snack, pair it with a spoonful of peanut butter for the perfect fat-burning bedtime snack. 6. Chia seeds. The hunger crusher. If you wake up starving in the middle of the night, you need chia seeds in your life. These tiny superfoods are loaded with fiber, protein, and omega-3s, which help you feel full and stabilize blood sugar. How to make the best hunger crusher snacks. Make a simple chia pudding. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with a half cup of almond milk. Let it sit for 10 minutes and enjoy a creamy, fat-burning nighttime snack. A few notable things about chia seeds. Chia seeds absorb a large amount of water, expanding in the stomach and creating a feeling of fullness, which can help reduce calorie intake by suppressing appetite. Chia seeds are also high in fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. 7. Dark chocolate, the fat-burning treat. Yes, you heard me right. I said chocolate. But not just any chocolate. You need dark chocolate, 70% or higher cocoa. Dark chocolate contains healthy fats and antioxidants that boost metabolism and reduce sugar cravings. Plus, it contains serotonin, which promotes relaxation and better sleep. It is essential to note that many commercially available dark chocolates contain high amounts of added sugar, which can negate any potential weight loss benefits. However, some studies have suggested that dark chocolate containing more cocoa and less sugar will increase metabolism, leading to more calorie burning. Dark chocolate may also improve insulin sensitivity, which can help control blood sugar levels and reduce fat storage. The best tip: have a small square, about 1 ounce, before bed to satisfy cravings without ruining your diet. And there you have it. 7 powerful overnight diet foods that can help you burn fat while you sleep. Let's do a quick recap. Almonds boost sleep and metabolism. Greek yogurt, protein-packed and gut-friendly. Cottage cheese keeps you full and burns fat. Chamomile tea lowers stress and enhances sleep. Bananas boosts metabolism and improves sleep. Chia seeds fights cravings, balances blood sugar. Dark chocolate satisfies cravings and burns fat. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite nighttime fat-burning food? Drop it in the comments below. That said, thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, share it with a friend and subscribe so you never miss a future video.